Snapchat is increasing in its popularity every day and has over 200 million daily users. With that many people using it, there are many opportunities. We'll show you how to make money on Snapchat and how to grow your account. We made a video on Snapchat last year and it covered the basics about making money, but many people asked us how to properly open and run a Snapchat account and ultimately make money from it. So in this video we thought we'd answer those questions and give you even more tips on how to make money with this great platform. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to help you make money and to change your life. Snapchat was founded in 2011 and is an app that you can download onto your smartphone, create an account and start connecting with other people. The main point of the app was on sharing images and videos. For this reason, it has created many filters and options when you take images or make videos. The best part is users cannot save or share the images they receive. Once you see them, Snapchat deletes them. It gives you complete privacy, freedom to try different things and share weird and funny images. It is the only popular messaging app that offers this feature. You can easily take a picture or snap, share it with whoever you want, and then the app deletes it. So how do you get traffic with Snapchat? You need to find ways of getting traffic to your page. Here are 4 quick tips to achieve this. 1. Snap Ads. Snap Ads is one of the advertising methods on Snapchat. You can set short video ads that appear on screen of your target audience. You can target people based on their demographics, interests and behaviours. You can add a call to action on each ad that motivates the user to watch a longer video, visit a website, download an app or read an article. The goal of Snap Ads is to get traffic on a website or increase engagement. Geo filters. A geo-filter is a feature Snapchat added to their app back in 2014 and has evolved ever since. And now you can make and design your own geo-filters for occasions. For a geo-filter to be available, you must have your location sharing services on and allow Snapchat to see your location. This will allow the app to see where you are, and if you are in a location where there is a Snapchat filter available, you will be able to layer it on your photo. Go to your Snapchat app and take a photo or video as normal. Then, when you are in editing mode, where you can add text, stickers or filters that make your photo look better. All you have to do is swipe right and a selection of geo filters will appear and you can choose one you want. Scroll through the selection by swiping right. If you want to add additional filters such as time, temperature or an editing filter, you need to hold down on the geo filter. To add anything else, just swipe right or left depending on what else you want to add to your snap. People love geofilters and use them to take snaps. If they like your geofilter, they can use it in many images and share it with their friends. It is not a direct way to get traffic like Snap Ads, but you can test it and check the results. This is a free way to promote a brand name, for example. You can use it to promote your website, online store or offline business. You can create a free geo-filters for a public place that is important for your business. It can be a shop in your area, a place of interest or an event. In every case you can add your logo, but not links or contact details. 3. Sponsored lenses and posts. It's another fun way to promote your brand on Snapchat. Branded lenses include your logo or the product you want to promote. When users share sponsored lenses, they look like brand suggestions for their friends. Many big brands use sponsored lenses to increase brand awareness and get more sales. In some cases though, it's not the best option if you want to get sales fast. Send snaps to your followers. The only way to get free traffic from Snapchat is to engage your followers and create conversations. You can send images and videos that present your product, text messages or your links. The goal is to make them click your affiliate link or the link to your website. You can also add it to an image or video instead of posting it directly. However, it is important to add some value before making an offer. You can make a video with tips and mention the product. If you mention 10 ways to get fit, one of these ways could be your product. It is okay to be creative and figure out different ways to click on your links. So how do you grow your Snapchat following? If you want to make good money on Snapchat, you need to grow your following. There is no minimum number like YouTube, but you need to gain as many followers as possible. So here are some ways you can get started to gain those followers. 1. Add Snapchat to your website. You should add a link to Snapchat on the sidebar or below the content. Some visitors will be interested in following you on Snapchat or other platforms. You should of course cross-promote your website on Snapchat as well. Add friends with the address book. A great step is to add your contacts via the address book. It's an easy way to get followers fast. Snapchat use their phone numbers to find them on the app. If they are on Snapchat, then they will get a notification to follow you back. This is a good idea because most people tend to follow back people they already know. Many new users start with hundreds of followers by using their contacts alone. If you want to go one step further, you can add any phone number from other sources. For example, you can find your Facebook friends or small businesses can add phone numbers of their leads and customers on the address book. 3. Use paid ads. Sometimes you have to spend money to make money. You can target people that allow the official page of Snapchat on Facebook. There are other groups and pages from Snapchat fans as well. 4. Post your Snapchats on other social media. You can promote your new Snapchat account on other social media sites. It is free and easy to write a short post and share. You should plan to write several posts with different calls to action. These will reach many people. It depends on the platform. You need more posts on Twitter than on Facebook to reach the same number of followers, for example. Add your email subscribers. Snapchat does not have a feature to add email subscribers to your following, but it is an excellent idea to let your subscribers know that you have created a new account. Affiliate marketing and store owners tend to have email lists. We've always said it is a great idea to start an email list, and use it to grow any social media account is a great resource. You can offer incentives to those who will follow you, like free content or offers to buy products or services. 6. Send direct messages with your Snapchat link. When you use other social media networks, you can request your followers to check your Snapchat account. Many of them will decide to follow you because they want to get your updates. Mention that you will be offering different things on Snapchat and not just your usual stuff. You can write something simple to invite them. For example, explain that you have created a new account and the content they receive and any other benefits of your Snapchat followers. 7. Connect with influencers. Another investment is to spend time and connect with other influencers. They can send tons of traffic to your website or help smaller accounts grow their following fast. You can search for influencers in your area or your niche. Then you can figure out ways to contact them. The easiest way is to send them a message and ask for some information. 8. Ask for help. Some platforms have features that allow other people to suggest accounts. For example, Facebook users can invite friends to pages even if they have not created them. Snapchat includes the same feature. Other people can suggest your account to their followers, so you can encourage them to do this. It takes less than a minute to do this process. If you have a new account on Snapchat with a few followers, you can request followers to help promote it on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. They can write a quick tweet about your Snapchat and share your posts with their followers. 9. Run contests on Snapchat. Run a contest that offers a prize. The participants must follow you on Snapchat to be eligible for the contest. Contests are a great way to get the attention of other social media users and help grow your following. You can use a software for the contest and that chooses the winners from a random draw. So why is Snapchat a great place to make money? Snapchat does not include any ads that are used to earn money like YouTube, so you need to promote a product or service. Even if you decide to become a Snapchat influencer, you need to grow your following around a niche. Snapchat is a great place to promote a product. 1. It's a fun way to engage with other people. Most social networks allow you to follow other people, and you must create content, engage with likes and comments, and figure out ways to do a better job than a competitor in your niche. This process is not always fun. It can be difficult and boring when you create a new account and growing an audience on other platforms. Snapchat allows you to send snaps in a few clicks and encourage to share those images as well. It is a more interesting way to reach your followers and requires more creativity than other alternatives. 2. Attract new followers. You can quickly grow your followers if you target your audience. Most users are between 13 and 29 years old. You need snaps that are interesting for these age groups, of course. You must add value to these people, just like any other platform. 3. Show them you are a real person. Many business accounts use automated tools and social media managers to run their accounts. In many cases, the content or their messages are not natural. Snapchat needs engagement between real people. You have to bring your personality into the app if you want other users to relate to you. 4. Share images with tips and insights. If you have created an account to make money, you'll probably need to focus on a niche or a product. When people follow you, they expect to learn more. It's a great opportunity to send snaps with tips or insights to build trust with followers. It is not spam because people expect to receive these type of messages. On the other hand, sending personal messages with promotions on platforms like Facebook and Twitter is spam. 5. Follow the trends. Snapchat is a popular app for young teenagers and young adults. However, they don't have many users of older ages, and most businesses avoid it. Only 5% of businesses and marketeers are already on Snapchat. If you create an account to make money, you will not have many competitors. You will prove that you are not scared of new marketing types and can follow the trends. So how to make money on Snapchat? There are 3 ways to make money on Snapchat. 1. Sell your snaps. If you are an influencer on Snapchat or you have a big audience, some companies will want to advertise their products to your followers. The value of your snap depends on the Fanbyte scores and your followers. The Fanbyte score is between 0 and 100 depending on your engagement with your audience. The method is quite simple, but it can take time. You need to start getting followers and engagement. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can work with any audience and platform. When you promote other people's products, you can earn a commission per sale. It's quite different than sponsored snaps because you get paid for any of the results. Also, you can join affiliate programs and promote products even if you have new followers. For example, ClickBank is free to join and has no requirements for beginners. It's important to promote the right product. The process is easy when you have a niche-focused following. For example, your niche could be fitness, photography, movies, food, personal development, etc. Then you promote products relevant to your niche. You can post affiliate links and send traffic to your website that include your links. The second option tends to be more effective because you can mention a few benefits before sending them to a sales page. 3. Sell your products or services. If you have an online store, a product or a service that you can sell and make money, you can find buyers on Snapchat. It needs a similar strategy to affiliate marketing. You need to send traffic to an external page where they can complete a purchase. If you are a beginner, you can create a drop shipping store on Shopify. You can add other people's physical products, and when you make a sale, they will ship them for you. You can follow the same process with services. If you have a gig on a freelance platform or you want to find clients directly, you can send messages with your offers. Snapchat is a unique messaging app. The users feel comfortable to send photos and videos because of the privacy protection. If you want to make money on Snapchat, you need to become part of their app and have fun. If you plan to promote a product, figure out creative ways to do it with your snaps and stories. The big advantage compared to other methods and platforms is the lack of competition. Most internet marketeers and businesses are not on Snapchat yet, so we can assume that they don't know how to use it for marketing because the potential for this app is huge. If you keep building your followers and engage with them, your efforts will get results sooner rather than later. Remember what we say, don't give up, keep going, and eventually you'll get there. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.